Good morning, this is Warren Peacock. Today's matrix shows the US dollar gaining another 2 points. Overall now has a score of 19, so that dollar strength certainly coming through into the charts now. The Japanese yen lost 3 points overnight, mainly on the 1 hour chart. 4 hourly chart with a score of 1 has also lost a point. The daily is still on 0. Otherwise, we have the British pound has gained 1 point, and we see 2 points on the Swiss franc. But I'm quite interested in this, in the dollar strength now, the Japanese weakness, and of course the euro is still continuing to weaken with a score of 1. So overall, we have the euro as the weakest, the US dollar as the strongest. That makes the euro dollar downtrending chart. We're going to go and have a look at that shortly. On the daily side, we have three currencies showing strength. We've got the Swiss franc still, the pound, and now we have the US dollar joining them on the daily charts. The yen is the weakest on the daily, so we're going to go look at the dollar yen as well. The euro US dollar is the weakest chart on 4 hourly, same on the hourly, so certainly euro dollar looks to be continuing into that downtrend. We're going to have a look at the charts, and there's the euro dollar. We can see the short signal was fired yesterday. I am shorting that up just over 100 points at the moment. The market's holding up a little bit, and I'm not too concerned just yet. When Europe opens, we'll see what happens there. Those two yellow lines act as resistance and most likely a stop level. If we go down and have a look at the 4 hourly, we can see it's holding up on really small support levels. I would expect it to break lower, but of course, as with anything in the financial markets, anything can happen. So I'll just have to wait and see. The hourly chart, same idea, a little bit of support over here. I think it's probably a bit late to add into this trade at the moment. I'd like to see the hourly pull back a little bit and give me a re-entry signal. So at this point, just holding on to that one short position, and we'll see what happens. The pound yen, this is a chart I've been watching for some time now. I did miss the buy signal, and it's now sitting at a double top resistance. You can see the little zone at the top there, and obviously the pound is still strong and the yen very weak. So I am watching this one with a bit of interest. If it does break and close above resistance, I will be buying a position into this one. The Swiss franc yen, I'm not a big fan of trading the Swiss franc, as you know by now. That is trending up, still has the double top over there. The Swiss franc still holding on to some strength, but not my favorite trading currency. The US dollar yen, that broke yesterday. I am long on this one, and we can see a clear breakout. If you just put a resistance line in there, yesterday it broke out quite nicely, and so yeah, I took a trade on that one on the hourly close above resistance, so over here somewhere. There's a little triangle building on the hourly, so if you're a shorter term trader, there is potential here for a breakout trade if you just put your little pennant in. So it's more of a pennant than a triangle. Nice short term consolidation. When the market's open somewhere around 8 o'clock, there might be a short term trade on this one. Thank you very much, and chat again tomorrow.